Namaste students. Today I am going to start new chapter carbon and its compound. In this chapter I will teach you covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. Students, carbon is derived from carbo. Carbo means coal. Its symbol is C. It is a non-metal. All living things, plants and animals are made up of carbon-based compounds which are called organic compounds. Students, covalent bonding in carbon compounds. Atomic number of carbon is 6. The electronic configuration of carbon 2,4. Now, carbon atom is very small, due to which its outermost electrons are strongly held by nucleus. It is not possible to remove 4 electrons from a carbon atom to give it the inert gas electron arrangement. It is also not possible to add as many as 4 electrons to a carbon atom due to energy considerations and acquire the inert gas configuration. Since carbon atom can achieve the inert gas electron arrangement only by sharing of electrons. Therefore, carbon always form covalent bonds. Students, carbon is tetravalent. A carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. One carbon atom requires 4 electrons to achieve the 8 electron inert gas structure. Therefore, the valency of carbon is 4. Students, versatile nature of carbon. 2 factors noticed in the case of carbon are: number 1, carbon has the unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules. This property is called catenation. Second, carbon has a valency of 4. It is capable of bonding with 4 other atoms of carbon or atoms of some other monovalent element. Occurrence of carbon. Carbon occurs in nature in free state as well as combined state. In free state, carbon occurs in form of diamond, graphite, Buckminster fullerene. In combined state, it occurs in form of carbon dioxide, carbonates, coal, petroleum and wood, etc. Allotropes of carbon. The 3 allotropes of carbon are diamond, graphite, Buckminster fullerene. Diamond is colorless transparent substance having extraordinary brilliance. A diamond crystal is a very big molecule of carbon atoms. Diamond is very hard and non-conductor of electricity. A graphite consists of a sheet of carbon atoms. Due to the sheet-like structure, graphite is a soft substance. Due to the presence of free electrons in graphite crystal, it conducts electricity. Buckminster fullerene is an allotrope of carbon containing cluster of 60 carbon atoms joined together. Students, types of organic compounds. Number 1, hydrocarbons. Number 2, haloalkanes. Number 3, alcohols. Number 4, aldehydes. Number 5, ketones. Number 6, carboxylic acids. Hydrocarbons. A compound made up of carbon and hydrogen only is called hydrocarbons. Methane, ethane, ethene and ethine are all hydrocarbons because they are made up of only 2 elements, carbon and hydrogen. The most important natural source of hydrocarbon is petroleum. Hydrocarbons are of 2 types: saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, saturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single bonds is called a saturated hydrocarbon. An alkane is a hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single covalent bond, and the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, N is the number of carbon atom in its molecule. Unsaturated hydrocarbons like alkenes and alkynes. A hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by double bond or a triple bond is called an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Students, alkenes, an unsaturated hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by double bond is called an alkene. Examples: ethene, propene. Double bond between two carbon atoms which is formed by the sharing of two electron pairs. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. Alkynes, an unsaturated hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by triple bond is called an alkyne. A triple bond between two carbon atoms which is formed by the sharing of three electron pairs. The general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. Examples: ethyne, propyne, butane, etc. Homologous series. A homologous series is a group of organic compounds having similar structures and similar chemical properties in which the successive compounds differ by CH2 group. Students, homologous series of alkane, alkenes and alkynes. Now, alkanes. General formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. N is a number of carbon. First member of alkane homologous series is methane, then ethane, propane, butane, pentane. These are the first 5 members of homologous series of alkane. Now, homologous series of alkene. General formula of alkene is CnH2n. First member of alkene homologous series ethenes, and then propene, butene, pentene, hexene. Now alkynes. Homologous series of alkynes. General formula of alkynes CnH2n minus 2. And these are the 5 members of homologous series of alkyne: ethyne, propyne, butane, pentane and hexane. Students, now characteristics of homologous series. All the members of homologous series can be represented by the same general formula. Any two adjacent homologues differ by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms in their molecular formulae. All the compounds of homologous series show similar chemical properties. The members of homologous series show a gradual change in their physical properties with increase in molecular